Question number 27. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 852 centimeters. Okay. The three vertices of the triangle lie on a circle and radius of the circle is w root 3 centimeters. What is the value of y? First of all, because two very important informations are given to us. One is that it's an equilateral triangle with perimeter 852 centimeters, and another one is that this equilateral triangle lies inside the circle, right? Okay. So let's see the situation first. This is our situation, that is the circle, not up to the scale, but we can understand here. Because the perimeter of the circle is 852 centimeters, that 3 times, let side be A, that means A plus A plus A is equal to 852. So 3A is equal to 852 dividing by 3 on both sides. So this is equal to 284. First information decoded. Now let's go to the second information, that it lies inside the circle. This side is 284. This side is 284 and this side is also 284. Now again, there is a beauty in equilateral triangle pattern, that if you draw perpendicular from a vertex on the opposite side, it divides the side into equal parts, or in proper time it bisects the opposite sides. So let's say this is ABC and this point is M, that AM will be half of 284, which is 142. Perfect. Now we have to find the radius. Again, there is a property, like you can see this property in two ways. First, I am explaining the first way, that this perpendicular, if it is inside the circle, divides this into 2:1. That is the center of the circle. So inside the circle, it will divide it into 2:1. That is the one way to see it. And so I'm just joining this AO, and because this is the radius and this is also the radius, so this is 2. And because these are ratios, let the common multiple be A. 2A and 1A, and this is 182, right? So now we can solve the question, because this is Pythagoras. 2A squared is equal to 182 squared plus A squared. 2A squared is 4A squared. I am doing two steps simultaneously, and subtracting A square on both sides is equal to 142 squared. 3A squared is equal to 142 squared. Doing square root on both sides, root 3A is equal to 182. A is equal to 142 by root 3, multiplying by root 3 on both sides. And so A is equal to 142 root 3 by 3, because square root cannot be in the denominator. And so 2A will be equal to 2 times 142 root 3 by 3, or 284 root 3 by 3. Now this is what we have calculated. And what the question says, radius is root 3W. And what we have calculated, it's root 3, 284 by 3. So that means, what is the value of W? 284 by 3. Okay. We have done the question. I just want to explore one more way how AO can be 282A. This is, I'm going to do it with the second method. If you understand it well, okay. But if we are into SAT, right, we should know every possible method. So let's say if this is the case, if this is inside, that is only related to equilateral triangle. So this is the equilateral triangle, right? Every angle is of 60 degree. So if this is a side, if it bisects the sides, it also bisects the angle. So if this whole angle is of 60 degrees, right? So this will be of 30 degrees. This is the first case. Now, because we have joined it here, like this. So now in this particular triangle, in our question, we have mentioned it as ABO. This angle is of 30 degree, this will be of 60 degree, and this will be of 90 degree. And if you go with the 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? So 30, 60 side opposite to 30 degree angle is A, side opposite to 30 degree, 60 degree angle is 2A, and side opposite to this is root 3A. So that is another way you can find it as 2A, and this one is root 3A. Am I correct? Yes.